who, what, and which. Mastering interrogative pronouns and adjectives. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Specifically, we'll take a look at the differences between them and examples of how to use each one in English. So, let's get started. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They substitute the noun we want to know about. The main interrogative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, what, and which. For example, in the sentence, "Who ate the last cookie?" Who is the interrogative pronoun. Unlike interrogative pronouns, interrogative adjectives cannot stand alone because they modify nouns. They are also used to ask questions, but they always come before a noun. The interrogative adjectives in English are whose, which, and what. For instance, in the sentence, "Whose cookies are these?" Whose is the interrogative adjective modifying cookies. Let's look at some examples of interrogative pronouns. Who is your best friend? Whom did you meet at the party? Whose is this backpack? What is your favorite movie? Which is better, apples or oranges? Remember, these interrogative pronouns stand alone, replacing the nouns we want to know about. Now, let's move on to some examples of interrogative adjectives. Whose book did you borrow? Which road should I take? What song are you listening to? In these examples, whose, which, and what are interrogative adjectives because they modify the nouns book, road, and song, respectively. And that's it, folks. Now you know the difference between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives, and when to use them in your conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to create your own sentences using these interrogative forms. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Keep practicing.